The fourth and very important type of a polymer is rubber. The rubber is naturally also available as well as it is synthesized in the laboratory. That is, natural and synthetic rubbers are there. The rubber is chemically a polymer which is capable of returning to its original length, shape and size. That is, it will regain its original shape and size after being stretched or deformed. Rubber is the common example of elastomer. We have seen the classification of the polymers on the basis of the intermolecular forces of attraction in between the polymeric chain, in which one of the type was elastomer. Rubber is the example of that. Rubber can be obtained from natural resources, which is called as natural rubber, as well as it can be prepared in the laboratory, which are similar to the natural rubber, which are having the properties just like to the rubber, natural rubber, but as they are prepared in the laboratory, they are called as synthetic rubbers. Let us see first of all natural rubber, which is a polymer of which is the polymer which is obtained from a natural resource, that is rubber trees. Rubber trees, they are also called as Hevea brasiliensis, which are in the form of milky sap known as the latex. From that milky sap, that is latex, we are going to further prepare the rubber by some processes over it. This latex is treated with acetic acid or formic acid and then squeezed. The raw natural rubber is soft and sticky, but when we are processing it, it will change its properties. The raw natural rubber is insoluble in water, dilute acids and alkalis, but it is soluble in some organic solvents like benzene, chloroform, ether, petrol and carbon disulfide, that is CS2. The further processing on naturally derived rubber, which is nothing but the latex, is the destructive distillation. This destructive distillation gives you isoprene, that is 2-methyl-buta-1,3-diene, which is called as which on the polymerization gives the natural rubber. Therefore, natural rubber is also called as polyisoprene. You can see the structure of isoprene over here, which is just like buta-1,3-diene, 1,3-butadiene. Just one hydrogen on the position number 2, carbon number 2, has been replaced by the methyl group. Therefore, this is isoprene, which is little different than the butadiene. It undergoes the addition polymerization, like this bond will be shifted to the next carbon atom of the another isoprene molecule, and this double bond will be shifted in between the two carbon atoms, and polymer is called as the natural rubber or polyisoprene.